My blessing to you on this winter solstice is that you find the fire, the charisma in your soul to step forward into the season, that you have the courage to shed what no longer serves you, shed a skin, let it go, limited beliefs, doubt, so that you can move forward with a brand new mindset, power for your own soul, the fire within you, your purpose, your light as we move into this new season. Let this depth of winter align with the depth of your soul. Everything you need is within you. You have the keys. Tune in. Allow the winter to take you into this state of dreaming as the light returns. Go in, rest, reflect, feel the essence of who you are. Many blessings as we welcome the return of the light to your spirit.